Hi friends, I welcome all NEETPG aspirants to this Concept NEETPG Crash Course 2022 at Chennai. Starting from March 19th till May 8th, we are going to have this session. Myself, Dr. Pradheep, for the subject of pediatrics. So in this session, what we are going to deal is, see, even though pediatrics is a short subject, which carries some 8 to 12 questions, we have to know a few areas of hardcore pediatrics to crack these questions. So in this session, uh, what we are going to see is what are those areas we have to revise just before the exam. The thing is, usually they'll think pediatrics as a 70 to 80 percentage of newborn neonatology will start reading. But in last year NEET paper, what happened was they have deviated from their routine pattern actually. Not even a single question was asked from neonatology. Instead, that they have asked a few cardiology questions and few practical oriented immunization questions and few x-ray images were there. So the thing is, what we are going to read is on individual topic, not just neonatology as a majority. On all individual topics, we are going to touch the areas of high yielding concept based discussion in that session. The second thing is, we are going to see lot of image based questions, x-rays, clinical findings, which will be that pictorial memory just before the exam will really help you to crack so many questions. And the third thing is, we are going to see a lot of clinical based scenarios, uh, which will be very helpful to rule out the options given to derive our correct answer. And apart from this, we are going to see how to read and remember this highly volatile developmental milestones and immunization schedule, a few other important flowcharts to remember, and all these workbook materials also will be provided in the session. So in a nutshell, this will be a really helpful class which will make you to face even an unexpected surprises in the exam hall. So hope to see you all soon. Happy learning. Thank you.